Lesti tħejjiet biex wara l-jiem tax-shutdown ta' Santa Marija jibda x-xogħol ta' riġenerazzjoni fuq l-Isptar San Luqa. Ikkonferma dan ma' One News Ramtu Muluri, direttur ta' Vitals Global Healthcare, li qed jinvestu iktar minn 200 miljun euro fil-qasam tas-saħħa f'pajjiżna.
We have already started the logistics plan, so we have now moved the parking because without that parking it's very difficult to start the works. So we are looking at health and safety side immediately, and I think there's a Santa Maria break in the next 2 weeks. So most of the Maltese will be taking a break. I think once that break is finished from 23rd of August, you will see the real construction work starting.
Dan il-konsorzju internazzjonali diġà beda jimpjega miegħu għadd ta' ħaddiema l-ewwel ftit minn bosta mijiet li jridu jingħaqdu mal-proġett.
The Vitals Global Health Care in Malta is growing day to day, and we have recruited about 20 employees to date in Vitals Global to support Gozo General as well as Karen Gregg. And as of today, I think Sunday's newspaper, we are posting some job positions that you'll be able to see. And also, we are working closely with the Nursing Union, our MUMN, in order for us to hire more nursing staff.
Fil-fatt, l-akbar ammont ta' ħaddiema jiżdied la darba jkun lest ix-xogħol ta' kostruzzjoni. Hemm jibdew jidħlu l-ħaddiema mill-qasam mediku.
I think in the next 2 to 3 months, the increased staff will be 50 to 100 employees. Because they are the critical requirements that are identified in Gozo as well as in Karen Gregg. But as we continue to grow, and once the construction is completed, the total numbers will go from 1,600 to 2,500. So there's about 800 employees that we'll be hiring in the next 2 years period. But immediately in the next 30 to 90 days, it'll be about 50 to 100 employees that we will be adding.
Il-ħaddiema huma meħtieġa għal 3 sptarijiet. San Luqa, l-Isptar Karen Gregg u l-Isptar Ġenerali Tawdex, fejn bis-sehem tal-investituri diġà nkiseb Air Ambulance.
I think it's a whole spectrum. We are starting with the support staff, meaning the support to the existing teams. So whether it may be in infrastructure, whether it may be in accounting, whether it may be in human resources, we are providing change management so that we can transform from where it is to where it needs to be. And the level 2 is just an example in Gozo General. There is an immediate requirement for head of A&E. Emergency department does not have a head consultant. We are in the final stages of hiring that position.
Fl-aħħar xhur ma' Vitals Global Healthcare ingħaqdu Healthcare International ta' Boston. Din l-aġenzija tmexxi l-Isptar Massachusetts li huwa ddikjarat l-isptar numru 1 fl-Amerika.